Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is MC OGB, and right by my side is my very good friend, my bookie one, Honorable Benjamin Akpepo. First and famous. I want to thank all of you that follow our first video. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to following the next series. Okay, Honorable, something very important just came to our notice. And I want us to talk about it. Okay. Something that came to our notice is about this COVID-19 loan.
Oh, COVID-19 loan.
COVID-19 loan.
Then they give COVID-19 she get loan.
Yes, no. COVID-19 loan. They say now money. What did they give people when she get COVID-19?
Oh, no, then they give people will get COVID-19 money.
Yes.
I know here.
They say, make I give you the gist. One of my friends, they tell me, say, the way you go take get the loan, they say, you must get the COVID-19. That means the coronavirus.
Wait, make I ask you a question. How much they are giving persons at it?
Only 10 million.
Only 10 million?
Yes. 10 million.
10 million?
No.
But this our country, they are giving people 10 million for loan.
Yes, no.
Where you not do business, you not do anything. That's COVID-19.
Yes, no.
Okay, the thing she will catch you.
Yes, the thing she will catch you first. Then you go now.
Wait, you sabi person where she get COVID-19, where get the sickness.
A get person will get, we don't correct. Where they tell me I don't see how. Would they tell me? Say he get he correct 10 million.
Now I mean, say me I must get the thing.
So he get
I must get it.
What?
I won't get COVID-19 now. Make I get the sickness and go there and correct money.
So how you want to get the sickness?
I don't know. Now I go look for person where she get.
Okay, might tell you the secret. So now they say, for you, when you go get the virus, you go market where people they sell something, where they go on body, make you find person where they cough well. Then you go, as you see the person they cough, you go now go jacka.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
If you cough inside your nose, you go catch her.
Wash. One that one, I go fit.
You go fit. Now 10 million, no, not 10 million. Say.
Only if they are giving right that now you never go correct.
Only I just hear the news in about 10 hours. Say make a call meet you.
No, you will first go catch person where they cough.
Yes.
Get the thing. Then when you then give you 10 million, then you will come and give me. Then I will correct.
Okay, make me go collect the coronavirus first.
Then you will correct first.
Then you will call collect from my hand.
Correct for me.
That one is very hard. That one is, I tell you because you know my friend.
Oh no, I will go. I will get. If I get that money, she print you.
Printing or? She printing. 10 million, no be small money. So only if we do that one, 10 million, we don't come out. We will go Baduko, go meet all those our booking. No, we do farm work, buy a fish. No,
if you go, carry that car 10 million, go Baduko now. Shush. All those small gears where they are disturbing somebody. Then we finish the money.
No, the small gears, they're not going to finish the money. No.
All those small gears where they are carrying side chick.
Side chick.
On the car. Those people, they can finish somebody. They will finish you one.
Only which one beside chick again?
Oh, the small talk with my wife, she here. Small gears. Then we just come and make sure and say, oh, the cars, or God, like you. I'm telling you.
I never see that kind of something be that all.
Yes, they know the grip is serious. They know the grip is serious. That's why you know see me as I go come out my baby now.
I'm surprised, no? I see you this morning, you look like a young man.
Oh, no, I have to maintain. Just stop me.